2024 Ford Expedition boasts a bold and modern design that's sure to turn heads, presented by Bell Ford. With its imposing grille, sleek LED headlamps, and sculpted body lines, the Expedition exudes both sophistication and ruggedness. It's available in a range of striking colors and finishes, allowing buyers to choose a look that matches their personal style. Optional 22-inch wheels add an extra touch of elegance and strength to this versatile SUV. Powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, the 2024 Expedition delivers an impressive blend of power and efficiency. The engine produces up to 400 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque, providing robust acceleration for highway merging and confident towing capabilities. With available four-wheel drive, the Expedition is ready for off-road adventures or challenging weather conditions, making it a versatile option for any terrain. The Expedition's rear seating area offers exceptional space and comfort. Passengers in the second and third rows enjoy ample legroom. Even on long journeys, the available second-row captain's chairs provide a luxurious feel, while the sliding and reclining features allow for optimal positioning. Easy folding mechanisms on the rear seats make it a breeze to create additional cargo space whenever needed. The interior of the 2024 Expedition is both stylish and functional, featuring high-quality materials and intuitive design. An available panoramic vista roof opens up the cabin, giving it a bright and airy feel. With ambient lighting, available leather-trimmed seating, and a quiet ride, the Expedition's cabin is a serene and welcoming environment for both driver and passengers. Convenience is at the forefront of the Expedition's design. With features like hands-free liftgate access, remote start, and tri-zone automatic climate control, the large cargo area and power-folding third-row seats make it easy to switch between passenger and cargo configurations, while numerous USB ports and power outlets ensure everyone stays connected. The Expedition is packed with cutting-edge technology to enhance the driving experience. It includes the latest Sync 4 infotainment system with a large touchscreen, voice-activated navigation, and smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Optional features like a rear seat entertainment system and wireless charging pad make the Expedition a tech-savvy choice for families. Ford prioritizes safety in the 2024 Expedition, equipping it with a suite of advanced driver assistance features under the Ford Copilot 360 umbrella. These include automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Additional options such as a 360-degree camera and enhanced active park assist provide an extra layer of security and confidence on the road. The 2024 Ford Expedition stands out as a powerful, spacious, and feature-rich SUV that caters to families and adventurers alike. With its blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology, it's a versatile vehicle that can handle everything from daily commutes to off-road excursions with ease. You can view our selection at bellford.com. Give us a call at 602-281-4080 or visit our showroom today.